What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday life.
It's your girl, Positive CX Runner. I am back with another video. As you can tell by today's title, I'll be showing you guys how to make acrylic nails out of straw. Any kind of straw, basically. It's kind of, you will need a few things. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. So the things you will be needing to make your acrylic nails is some type of base coat. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's literally a top base coat basically. And then a nail polish. You would like to, put your little acrylics on. I chose red because red gonna be popping, boo.
Period.
Red gonna be popping. And then you will need straws, scissors. And that's all you really need, to be honest. You don't need anything else. Yeah, so where should we start off? One, I am going to, if you have any nail polish remover, or if you have any excess of nail polish from before sometime, you should get that off. I'm gonna use some nail polish remover to get some of the excess off, because I had red on the other day. I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, I had red nail polish on the other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that off, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. So I used the nail polish remover to get the little excess off, and your nail should be clear, just like this, nothing on it. And the next what you will do is you will file your nail down kind of low, but not too low. So I'm gonna start with this thumb first. Alright guys, so I just finished filing my nail down. Now they look kind of perfect now. Okay. Alright, now what you will need is your straw. You can get any straw, from Wendy's, or my family keeps straws. We keep our straws. And what you will do is you're going to measure, I don't know if y'all can see this, but you're going to measure your thumb to the straw, and you're going to cut to the length of it. My nail is like right here, so I'm going to squeeze this part and I'm going to cut it off so I can know where to cut it at. Hold on, I'm going to do it with my other hand, because don't cut yourself though, but just cut the straw. And you should have a little piece, and it should match with that. And you can also make it longer if you want long nails. I don't want too long nails because I wash dishes at home and they're going to get messed up anyway. But I'm only going to show you guys one nail because I don't want to make this video too long for y'all. I just wanted to show you guys. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open it up. Well, you're going to cut it open, and then you're going to open it up, try to bend it open. And just keep trying to open it up. Alright, and it should be open. You just gotta find your way to try to open it, but it should be open a little bit at least. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your thumb. Don't cut your thumb, but like, alright, so it should wrap around your finger like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna, it's very sharp, so I suggest you to be very careful. But you're gonna cut like, I'm gonna try to get this close so y'all can see, but alright, so it's all right here. I'm gonna try to cut a little bit of this, cut around the straw so it could fit my thumb. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I cut mine to how my finger is, and what you're going to do now is you're going to put the base coat on now. So try to hurry, like put a chunk, don't put too much, but put a chunk up here. Put it on your finger, whatever finger you're going to put the straw on. And try to hurry up. Don't take too long to press it on there. And what you're going to do is you're going to press it on your nail for about a few seconds. Oh gosh, okay. Well, this is starting to be a fail. I think I might need to put a little bit more. And put this straw on your nail. I'll be right back. Last thing, I put the top coat onto my nail and I sit the straw onto my nail for about a minute. And once I did that, I polished my nail. If it's stuck there, then you're good. But if not, then you might need to put the top coat onto your nail, onto the straw, and then apply it to your nail. And if that doesn't work, you might need to use nail glue or some regular like Elmer's glue or something. But once you do that, you are going to go ahead and polish your nail with any color you like. I did red, and as you've seen, this is what it turns out to look like. Okay. It's pretty cute. So yeah, but if you want to, you can also paint the inside of the nail polish color as well, just to make it look actually real. But anyways, yeah, you guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you like my video. If not, then oh well. But if you do like my video, give it a thumbs up. And I'm road to 60 subscribers. And yeah, bye, toodles. Yes, I did that myself out of straw. Yes, sir. If you need your nails done, boo-boo, you can come to me. Period.